We're in a shed, and this video is in regards to these solar powered hanging lights. So this is a double, has this little solar panel. Now it comes with a remote control and these hanging hooks, which they don't really stay on there. There's these little notches on here, and they just don't, I don't know, they might end up being super glued. This is the mount for the solar panel. This was purchased off Temu, and I got a 2-pack, which may or may not be a good thing. I don't recall exactly, but these were somewhere between like $9 and $13. And initially I was going to get them just to add light into one of the shipping containers, but there's a serious design flaw here that still kind of baffles me. So you've got a connection from the solar panel, and here's, I guess this would be the fuse and the lights. Okay, this is one continuous connection. At no point is there a way to separate all this. So if you tried to put this on a shipping container and you mounted this somewhere on the side or on the roof, there's no way to stuff these inside, and vice versa. If you mounted these or hung them, you know, from the ceiling of the shipping container, there's no way to slide this through to get it outside and put it on the roof. So that's my first issue. That eliminates it from being used in the shipping container. So what I'm going to do instead is put it in this shed, hang the lights up here, and then the cord will go, it'll be tacked up, go out the window, and be mounted somewhere out here facing like south. So I'll probably go ahead and do all of the mounting, figure out how to get those hanging clips on here, which at this point I'm not 100% sure how we're going to do it, and then show you the end result. But this is what you get, you know, if you buy something for $9, $13, whatever these were. Are they built fantastic? No. Are there design flaws? Absolutely. Does part of the included hardware appear to not fit? Yes. But for a budget, we're going to make it work. Okay, we're going to see how well they perform. So they come with the remote control, so I'll hit that. There we go. So the wires come in through here. They follow up along here. One light here, one light here. I did have to super glue those hooks on there. They would not go on any other way. And then just screwed these in. That's hanging off there. So for, I don't know, somewhere in the $9 to $12, $13 range, are these worth it? They're, bottom line, for that price, yeah, I'd say they're worth it. I could have wired this up differently, maybe had one of, well, I don't know. It's hard to say. I'd have to do some trial and error to see if maybe if I ran one of the cords this way, had one of the lights maybe like over here. But right now that's what they reach. So for that price range, so cheap. Yeah, I had to jump through some hoops and make some modifications, basically gluing the hooks on there. This is not a big space. I mean, it does okay over here, but for good lighting, I would say that these light up half this, which I guess is a good thing that I bought 2 of these sets, because I could install another set of lights over here and light up this entire space. I do have the LED light strips, and everything in here runs off solar, so you know that's a good part too. So with the LED light strip going all the way around, and these 2 lights, probably pretty good. These do other colors. I just don't think the white's all that white. I mean, it's okay. And then there's purple, which is actually blue. It's pretty dim. The green is pretty good, and the red is very... I mean, if it's ambiance, sure, great. If the point is to get some light in here, then I go with the green, just because it does light it up a little bit better. I might take those other 2 lights like that and install them here on this end, and that'll light up this entire space with 4 lights. A little silly. Yeah, they're not the brightest, but again, these were, like I said, somewhere between $9 and $13 for the pair. That's the reason I got 2 sets. So yeah, on a budget, do they work? Yes, absolutely. Got a remote here. I can turn these off if I want. I mean, would I get those again? Probably not the same ones. I think once I finish the other set and light this room up, I think I'm done with those in particular. But we have a lot of other stuff we bought, similar battery chargers and ceiling fans and everything solar. So those will be tested in the near future, and let you know our thoughts on those as well. All right, take care and God bless.